Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to make hydrating drink. And to make this hydrating drink, I'll be using two ingredients. The ingredients I'll be using for today's drink are strawberries and watermelon. Watermelon and strawberries are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins that our body needs. So I'll be making drink by blending these two ingredients, strawberries and watermelon. And I'll be using water to blend it. Please relax, stay back. Let's enjoy today's video together. Thank you. The first set of the drink. This strawberry watermelon hydrating drink is ready. Please try this recipe out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia O. Bye for now. Like this video, share it,